I've got 8 tips to help maintain a healthy weight. Hi, I'm Dr. Bryan. And losing excess weight and keeping it off can be a challenge. So I've got 8 tips that can help make it easier to win the battle of the bulge. Tip number 1, food journal. A study published in the Journal of Obesity reported that in a 142 obese person group, those who consistently logged their meals and held online group sessions about weight loss strategies lost an average of 10% of their body weight within 6 months. This process reportedly took participants just 15 minutes a day. Tip number 2, when to eat. It's not just what we eat, but also when we eat that can make a big difference. One study showed that a time restricted feeding group, which is where you're eating breakfast 90 minutes later or dinner 90 minutes earlier than usual, they felt more energetic, they shed more weight, and they experienced greater improvements in their blood sugar and blood lipid readings than those individuals who continue to eat on their normal schedule. Tip number 3, self-control. Before reaching for another serving, rate your satiety on a 0 to 10 scale. 10 would be if you're feeling fully stuffed, and I want you to aim for a group of 4 to 6 out of 10 max to avoid feeling like you ate too much. Studies suggest that exercising this rating method can reduce the risk you'll consume excess calories at mealtime. Number 4, what to eat. When the urge to eat junk food strikes, think about eating a healthy food choice instead of an unhealthy choice. A key to success with this recommendation is to have healthy choices pre-prepared so it is easy to grab when the urge for a snack strikes. Number 5, read and follow the labels. Restrict the volume of food to the serving size that's printed on the packaging. So for example, when it comes to a bowl of cereal, many people fill the bowl to the brim, which may actually be 3 servings, not 1. One study reported that when participants followed this simple instruction, they consumed an average of 300 fewer calories per day. Number 6, front load your calories. Studies show that individuals who consume more of their daily caloric intake earlier in the day tend to be less likely to feel hungry during the day and crave sweets than those who eat a light breakfast and a large supper. Number 7, be beverage aware. Be mindful of what you drink as well as what you eat. Many beverages, such as sodas, juices, iced tea, and milkshakes, are full of sugar and they're high in calories. Drink water instead. Stay hydrated. It's very important to ensure proper metabolic functions as well. Drinking a full glass of water before eating will also reduce the volume of food consumed. And my last tip for you, eat more protein. Avoid processed fast food, as these are, they actually stimulate dopamine in the brain, which may increase cravings for such foods. Eat nutrient-dense foods that are rich in protein and fiber, like chicken, fish, lean meats, and non-starch veggies. Do that instead. Hope these tips helped. Until next time, be well.